Good morning. We're tracking a cold front that's stretching all the way from the Canadian border down through the Gulf Coast, bringing some strong thunderstorms, especially to the southeast. This cold front's going to be making its way to the east, and behind it, some very cool temperatures are going to be in store for most of the nation. You can see the cold front very well defined on our temperature map as well, right along there in front of it. 67 in Memphis, 64 in Roanoke, 60 in Buffalo, but behind the cold front, much cooler temperatures. 35 in Denver, 32 in Billings, and even 44 degrees in International Falls. That's what's going on around the country. Here's what's happening in your neck of the woods. Good morning and happy Friday. Student meteorologist Ryan Belz here with your Campus Weather Service web forecast for today, Friday, October 3rd. Our weather headlines, what we're tracking for you, well, we're looking at a cold front that's going to be making its way into our area throughout the late afternoon and evening hours tonight. It's going to put a damper on any of your Friday night football plans that you might have tonight. Behind the cold front, much cooler temperatures are in store. We're going to be talking about mid and upper 50s for high temperatures on Sunday. Before a slow moderation comes next week, we'll slowly moderate the temperatures back up, but it's going to take a little while. We'll have that in our 7-day coming right up. Live look over Happy Valley this morning. We're looking at a lot of low-level clouds this morning and some fog in some areas across central portions of the Commonwealth. No dense fog advisories this morning like we've seen the last few mornings, but do be careful. Take it slow as you're headed in this morning because there is some areas of fog throughout the area. 59 degrees right now, cloudy skies, winds are out of the south-southwest at 6 miles an hour. Throughout the day today, we're looking at partly cloudy to cloudy skies by noon, 62, warming up to our high today, 66 by 4, but showers start to move into the area, and then showers and thunderstorms will be throughout the entire area by 8 o'clock tonight, temperatures in the lower 60s. Right now, temperatures across Center County and the surrounding areas, 54 in Beech Creek, 58 in Stormstown, 59 in Tyrone, 60 in Clearfield, and DuBois reporting 58 degrees at this hour. Wider view of the entire Commonwealth, like I mentioned, 59 here in State College, 59 as well in Williamsport, 57 in Harrisburg, 58 in Johnstown, and a little warmer up by the lake, 63 in Erie. Satellite and radar, you can see a lot of low-level clouds throughout central portions of the state and even eastern portions of the state. Behind it, though, off to our west, you can already see some of the clouds moving in associated with that cold front. Wider view of our satellite and radar, you can see the cold front stretch from the Canadian border all the way down to the Gulf Coast, and that's going to bring some showers and storms to our area throughout the late afternoon, evening hours, and even into the beginning portions of your Saturday. And then behind it, like I mentioned, cool conditions are going to funnel on into our area. And by Sunday, we're going to struggle to even get to 60 degrees for our high temperature. In the future forecast, mapping it out for you. The low-level clouds to start off the day today going to give way to some peaks of sun throughout the afternoon hours before the cold front makes it into our region. By 4 o'clock, we stop the time clock. You can see the cold front just entering western and maybe some central portions of the Commonwealth. And the cold front will make its way through the state throughout the day, the evening tonight. And then by tomorrow morning, 7:30, stopping the time clock, you can still see the chance for some precipitation to start off your Saturday, but it's not going to be a complete washout by no means. We'll see some dry conditions by Saturday afternoon and evening hours. Best day of the weekend, though, comes on Sunday. By Sunday, we're looking at mostly sunny skies throughout most of the state, especially here in Center County. However, though, like I've been mentioning, it's going to be a whole lot cooler out there, so do be prepared for the cooler temperatures in store for Sunday. For today, though, your Friday, increasing clouds, PM rain and storms will move into the area as that cold front approaches the Commonwealth. High temperatures today, mid-60s is what we're calling for. Winds out of the south 5 to 10. Those winds will be picking up as we go into the overnight hours. Out of the southeast 10 to 15 with showers and thunderstorms throughout the evening hours. Downpours are possible, so if you're headed out to any of those Friday night football games, do be prepared for the rain and storms. Lows tonight right around 54 degrees. For tomorrow, your Saturday, Some showers early, giving way to mostly cloudy skies, high temperatures in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Winds still breezy out of the west, 10 to 15. If you're headed down to Harrisburg for the EMS Thon event, the Walk for Wishes, your forecast for there, upper 40s, 10 a.m. on Sunday for the walk, mix of sun and clouds with a light, cool wind. Fall foliage for the weekend, if you're headed out traveling throughout the state, looking at the changing leaves, best bet's going to be across northern portions of the Commonwealth, where we're looking at moderate changing of the leaves, especially north of Scranton, some higher conditions, and down around Johnstown, best chance to see some changing leaves. Right here in Center County, we're still in the low fall foliage, but give it another week and a half, and we'll start to see a few more leaves changing throughout the area. Your 7-day forecast, mapping it out for you. Rain moves in late today, sticks around through early portions of your Saturday, then turning mostly cloudy, but Sunday, beautiful day, sunshine returns, however, cooler temperatures, mid-50s. Monday, clouds return with a little bit of sun. Can't rule out the chance for some scattered showers Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Not going to be a complete washout any of those days. Temperatures mid-60s, and then a little bit more sun moves back into the area on Thursday. That's all from the Campus Weather Service. We'd like to thank you for tuning in. For the most up-to-date forecast, check out our website, campusweatherservice.com. Have a great weekend.